What's going on YouTube? My name is Zach Stenstrom and welcome to the channel. So today, super quick video. We're just gonna do a walk around on the Gladiator. We did install an AEV 2-inch spacer lift on the Jeep. We did this just to fit bigger tires, retain ride quality. It retains all the factory Fox 2.5 shocks front and rear, so ride quality remains the same. We did add a couple of components like an adjustable Clayton track bar up front. We also added the AEV geometry correction brackets to put all of the upper and lower front control arms at a better geometry, at a much more level geometry. Instead of when you lift it, it'll drop the arms down, which creates nosedive when you're stopping and other things. So we just wanted to correct all that so that we'd have the best ride possible. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what this lift looks like on stock wheels and tires on your Gladiator Mojave. And honestly, it doesn't look that bad. Usually you lift something, a Jeep or any other vehicle, and you have your stock wheels and tires and it just looks silly. It looks like you skipped leg day. Well, it really doesn't. It comes stock on 33s, so it just doesn't look that bad. Now we are putting bigger wheels and tires on. That's actually happening tomorrow. That's why I wanted to get a video for you guys just to show you what this looks like if you were thinking about doing it but didn't have time or money to get the wheels and tires and you wanted to wait. Personal choice at the end of the day, but I'll let you guys see this and I'll show you guys what we added. We'll just go on. So here it is. Now I hope video does it justice. It did lift the front about 2.5 inches and the rear about 2.5 inches as well. So it does still have a rake to an extent from factory, but I'll show you guys what the spacers consist of. So it has an upper spring spacer. We did go ahead and add the Fox steering stabilizer to get rid of the factory stabilizer. And then as you can see right here, this is the Clayton adjustable track bar so that we could get the front axle back into alignment, because when you lift it, what it does is it'll kick the axle one way or another, because you have a bar that goes this way, and when you lift it, it's going to change the geometry of it and kick the axle one way or another. So with the adjustable track bar, that puts your axle back center line with the rest of the drivetrain and everything's good. So, see if I can show you guys the wheel gap. Then we'll come back over here and show you the correction brackets. Here's your wheel gap. It did come with new sway bar end links, longer ones for the rear and for the front. The rear lift consists of the same thing, which I'm not going to be able to get in there and show you the actual spacer that's on top of the spring. But as you can see right here, there is a bump stop spacer for to retain your factory specs within your bump stop. Same thing with the front. So I didn't show you guys. Inside the spring, which you might not be able to see, focus on there. Inside the spring, you have a spacer right here for your factory hydro bump stop. Now here is your geometry correction bracket, which, let me see, it'll be that long bracket going in there, which from this side, it's this bracket right here. So it's this whole bracket, which drops everything down. And as you can see, my lower control arms are almost vertical with the ground. So it's super great. It does have different alignment bushings with this. So this can go in different directions and it'll put this at a different spot to help align everything. If you go with a 2-inch lift, 4-inch lift, etc., it's all in the directions. Really great kit. I've been driving it around for about 1,000 miles or so. And the ride quality is very similar to factory. And again, guys, this is with factory wheels and tires. But here is just a quick walk around. And that was all that was installed. Was we changed the factory stabilizer to Fox. We did, come on. We did the correction brackets. We did the adjustable track bar. And then we did the AEV lift and all the components that came in with it. So, again, just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Quick walk around, show you some of the key components, some of the extras that we did do for this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you with your decision if you want to do an AEV 2-inch lift on your Gladiator Mojave and you don't have the money for wheels and tires, you just want to get it done. It doesn't look bad. The ride quality has remained the same. All in all, I'm super happy with the lift. Who knows if I'm gonna keep it longevity. I might go bigger with control arms and springs instead of spacers, but right now this is, I really enjoy this. It's been great. Super easy install, only took about 4 or 5 hours or so, and it looks great. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, wheels and tires go on tomorrow. Fender chop is about to happen later on today. So if that gives you an idea of what direction we're going, if not, stay tuned and see. Peace. See you in the next video.